Want to make $100 a day online fast? Let's dive right in. I'm going to show you how anyone can start making quick, easy money, even with zero experience or investment. First, sign up for gig websites. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer are your best friends. Here, you can offer services such as social media management, writing, graphic design, or even simple tasks like transcribing or video editing. The key is to set up a professional profile, clearly list your services, and start bidding on jobs. You'd be surprised. It can take as little as 24 hours to land your first gig. Next, let's talk about microtasking. Sign up for platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, ClickWorker, or MicroWorkers. These sites pay you for small tasks that take just a few minutes to complete. Think categorizing products, writing short reviews, or doing data entry. Each task may seem small, but they add up quickly. Stay consistent, and you'll find yourself easily hitting that $100 mark every day. Now, if you have knowledge in a specific area, consider creating an online course or an ebook. Whether it's digital marketing, cooking, or any other skill, platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Gumroad allow you to publish and sell your content. The beauty of this approach is that you create it once and earn money every time someone buys it. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Let's move on to affiliate marketing. This is a powerful way to earn money online. Pick a profitable niche, such as tech gadgets, health and wellness, or finance products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or CJ Affiliate. Share your affiliate links on your blog, social media, or even YouTube. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you're a commission. If you stay active and promote effectively, it can quickly add up to that $100 a day. Finally, consider using high-yield savings and cash apps for some low-effort earnings. Open a high-yield savings account with apps like SoFi or WealthFund. This can give you an additional passive income stream, adding $1 to $5 a day just for letting your money sit. Pair this with cashback apps like Rakuten or Upside for small but steady income. The key to making $100 a day fast is picking the right platforms and staying consistent. Start small with these 5 strategies, build momentum, and you'll start seeing daily returns. Which method will you try first?